Today's lesson is on finding the volume of cones. But before we start, we're just going to do a quick review of what the volume of a cylinder is. So what is that formula? So now that you know the formula of a cylinder, all you have to do to find the volume of a cone is divide that by 3, because basically 3 of these equal 1 cylinder that is the same height and has the same radius. So we represent that with this formula of the pi r squared h, then divided by 3. And again, if you're taking notes or writing this down, just a reminder, the volume, basically the volume of a cone is the volume of a cylinder divided by 3. Here is our example. Again, just like finding the volume of a cylinder, we've got your radius and your height. So I'm just going to put radius, height, put them into the formula, and then again, divide by 3. So in this example, my answer would have been 157. I would write this down as an example in your interactive notebook. Here's the first example that I want you to try. Again, find the volume of the cone, round your answer to the nearest tenth. And our answer is 942, again, centimeters cubed. Find the volume of the cone. And your answer is 65.9 feet cubed. If you got the wrong answer, you might have forgot to be aware that they gave you the diameter, and the diameter, half of that would be the radius of 3, not 6. This one, in case it's hard to see, that would be 2 feet, and this one would be 3 feet. And your answer is 12.6 feet cubed. Try this one. Your answer would be 2,260.8 centimeters cubed. One more word problem. The volume of a cone is 20 centimeters cubed. What is the volume of a cylinder with the same base and height? And if you think about it, a cone is 1/3 of a cylinder, so all you'd have to do is multiply that by 3 to get 60 centimeters cubed. Hey you guys, so I went to We Like It Ice Cream just to give you an example of a waffle cone for our word problem, but they're actually not serving waffle cones, they're only serving waffle cups, which really isn't a cone shape, but it is what it is, and it gave me an excuse to come here. See you guys. We took some video of them making the waffle bowls. You can see they make the batter just like you would with waffles, only it's a thinner batter, and they cook them and then they put them into the bowl to make the correct shape. So here's our word problem. Bethany works at We Like It Ice Cream in Pomfret. She's making waffle cones. Each waffle cone is 5 inches high and has a radius of 1.25 inches. What is the volume of the waffle cone? Round to the nearest tenth. And again, we just use our formula, so that would have been 65.9 inches. Sometimes when they have water at like a store for people, they'll have those little teeny paper cups that are disposable. So that's what I'm thinking of when I'm with this word problem. It says, a paper cup in the shape of a cone has a diameter of 6 centimeters and is 7 centimeters high. Ken needs to add about 264 centimeters cubed of water to his plastic mixture. How many paper cups of water will he need to use? And first on this one, we're going to find the volume of the cup, and then we need to divide to find that he's going to use approximately 4 cups of water for his plaster.